Hey! Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make these lovely hair bows just all by yourself. It's a lovely craft for teens, for girls, for adults. It's an accessory you're gonna love. So let's just jump right into it. We're going to need 4 ribbon strips, a piece of felt, crocodile hair clip, and of course scissors with a glue gun. Of course, we're going to start with 2 ribbon strips. I'm using piping ribbon, but the regular ribbon is actually better here. Just fold it in a half, just like that. And then we're going to get some glue and just apply it to the sides where we bent it, just like that, because then we're going to bend over the side and glue them up so we have this lovely strip of ribbon. Then I'm going to apply more glue to the actual middle, and we're going to just fold it like that to create little bow tie looking shapes. Now the next step is actually to try to glue these 2 bow ties together. I'm going to use a bit of hot glue to do that. Let it dry until they're truly stuck together, because then we want to apply a little bit more of glue and fold over the sides to cover up our glued bit to form our hair bow. It's coming together, isn't it? Now I'm going to take another strip of ribbon and we're going to fold over the sides just like that a little bit so they meet in the middle, and then we're going to apply more glue to the hair bow we made already, and then we're going to add it to the ribbon and let it dry. Give it a good squeeze so it really does stick together, okay? The next step is to take our crocodile hair clip and apply some glue to it, and then I'm going to get the piece of felt and just cover it with it. We then want to apply more glue on top of the felt and glue our hair bow to it. As you can see, it's really coming together. To finish up our hair bow, we're going to apply the last piece of ribbon. I'm going to apply some glue, add the ribbon, let it dry, and then add more glue and finish it up with the rest of the ribbon. And here you go, our hair bow is looking good. Cut the remaining piece of the ribbon and our hair bow is ready. It's a lovely craft anyone can make. Beautiful accessory you can truly incorporate into your outfits. I hope you're going to love this craft. Anyway, for more crafts like this, please subscribe and like this video and visit us on craftsy.com. Thank you.